You are listening to a series of 10 podcasts on the judicial branch of the United States government, presented by Citizen U. Episode 5. Explain the significance of the key players in the federal judiciary: judges, Attorney General, Solicitor General. Discuss the selection process. Like any important team, the roster tells it all. So it is when looking at the federal judiciary. There are many important but quite different players. The stars, of course, are the federal judges themselves. Appointed for life by the President, the prestigious post of federal judge serve as our platonic guardians. When law is unclear, it is a federal judge's duty to make it plain. With more and more laws, this duty makes federal judges far more important than once thought. But there are other important players in our federal judiciary. One important player is the United States Attorney General. The Attorney General is the Department Secretary of the Department of Justice. Another player often forgotten about is the United States Solicitor General. The Solicitor General is the lawyer that represents the United States when the United States argues in front of the United States Supreme Court. The constitutional process on paper seems simple enough. The President of the United States appoints and the Senate confirms. Yet rarely is it this simple, especially when the President and the Senate majority are from different political parties. Presidents attempt to pack the court with judges who share his or her political bent. This usually involves prospective judges passing a president's litmus test. Every president typically has an issue or two that defines their respective political party. For Republicans, a litmus test issue might be holding a pro-life position. Democratic presidents might demand prospective judges to hold broad Commerce Clause opinions. In either case, the opposing party always complains. The opposition reminds the American people that justice is supposed to be blind. The court is not supposed to reflect our political arena. It is for this reason that our founders gave our Supreme Court judges life terms. They are appointed and not elected. You are listening to a series of 10 podcasts on the judicial branch of the United States government, presented by Citizen U.